Hi everyone, welcome to my crochet nook. My name's Linda, and today guys I have my boxes arrived from Angela from my precious Yarnery. Yay! It's only taken 2 months to get here and mine took 2 weeks to get to Angela. So I'm going to get it opened and then see. We decided to do a yarn swap. So let's see what I've got. I'm so excited. Been waiting for this for, as you can tell, 2 months. So I'm dying to see what's inside it and that. So let's see, shall we? I'm so excited. See if I can get in it now. It's quite a big box, guys. Sorry. Oh my lord, she sent me some goodies. Oh my gosh. Angela, thank you. Oh. Okay guys, what's in here? Oh, she sent me some calendars. Oh, thanks Angela. And made with love, we are winging it here. A little card. Thank you Angela, thank you. And I've got maple leaf cookie biscuits. Wow. Oh, kisses. Hershey's Kisses. All you need is love. Oh, isn't that lovely? And it's got purple sequencing, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, thank you. I have to find a place on my shelf for it. Got, oh, look at the pussycat. It's a pen. Yay! Thank you. Oh, Reese's peanut butter. Coffee crisp. Oh my lord. Cream egg fondant centre. One's caramel and one's a cream egg. Mini eggs. Rick's going to have a field day. Oh Henry. Crunchy peanuts, chewy fudge, caramel covered in chocolate. After 8, I love after 8. My diet's going out the window this week. Oh Angela, you didn't have to. Oh, cookies and cream, junior mints, chewy caramel dudes. Oh wow, that's even before I get to the yarn. Oh look, I've got my very own t-shirt. Look at that guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh yay, that's fab. Thank you Angela. I was born to be wild, but only until 9 PM or so. Right. That's brilliant. I can use that for my knitting. Oh, look at this one. Oh, isn't that lovely? Oh, we can never have too much notebooks, guys. Thank you, Angela. And now's the goodies. Oh, wow. I've got some Premier puzzle. Oh, wow. Look at that, guys. It's a bulky 5, 328 yards, 300 metres, 200 grams, and it uses a 6mm needle and hook, and the colour is called Crossword, and I've got one of them. Oh, I've got 2. Oh no, I've got 2 of them. I've got 3. I've got 4. Wow, thank you, thank you, thank you. And then I've got acrylic polyester, 100 grams, 350 yards, Mary Maxims in this lovely soft grey, and I've got 3 of them, and the colour is 07. It's Fog. It's called Fog. I'm not sure. It's a 4 weight. Oh wow, thank you, Angela. I love them. They're nice. They'll make a nice nice sweater. So there's 3, 6, 9, 1,900. Yeah, there's 1,050 yards. So I'll easily get, might be able to get another one of them done. Ooh, yay! And then I know she got some yarn. She got some yarn specially dyed for me. Oh wow! Oh wow, guys, look at that. 656 yards. It's 50 cotton, 45 acrylic. It's 150 grams. Spring Meadow. Oh no, this isn't the one. And it's a Mary Maxim. My colours, guys. Oh wow. Thank you, Angela. Thank you. Wow, Angela. Oh wow. Oh, look at that little teddy bear. I think this is a Drop in the Ocean with black shimmer. It's a 4 ply, which is a finger weight, 500 yards. Oh wow, that would be nice. That's really nice. And oh wow. Sorry about the crinkling, guys. Look at this one. This is cream, lavender, lilac, dark purple with a silver shimmer. Again, 100% cotton. Panda yarns. Look at that. Look at the... Let me just move this down a bit so you can see. You can see the shimmer. Isn't that awesome? All the lilacs. Thank you so very, very much, Angela. I am absolutely blown away by what you've sent me. Thank you so much. Wow, guys. Oh, wow. These are absolutely gorgeous. And they're cotton, guys. That's 100% cotton. And this is 55 and 45, which I do like a cotton acrylic blend, but these are beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I love them. Thank you, Angela. Thank you so very much for doing this yarn swap with me. That's all from me for today, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you, and until next time, bye for now.